What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, and in this video we're taking a look at none other than King Vamp, aka Playboi Carti, and one of the most random collaborations I've ever seen with an artist, his Hardscatto wine. Now, if you can believe it, next month is officially 3 years since the release of Whole Lotta Red, Carti's last album, and a whole lot has changed since. Now, one thing that hasn't changed is the fact that I think that you should like and subscribe this video, and Carti here agrees, so you might as well go ahead. Now, of course, Carti most recently has this antagonist tour that's shaping to be a legendary one featuring his opium label mates such as Kencarson, Destroylonely, and most recently Homicide Gang, and if you are going to be attending that tour, please let me know. Now, the focus of this video is, of course, on this random-ass collaboration with this Hardscatto brand, and as you can see, they decided to tap in with none other than Playboi Carti to launch this alcohol brand. Now, rappers collaborating and having their own brands is nothing new, and as we've seen throughout the years, from Diddy with Ciroc, and most recently LaFlame with his cacti drink, teaming up with rappers can be pretty damn successful. Now, I did make a video a couple of months ago covering Travis Scott's Cacti Drop, so I'll go ahead and include that link in the description for you to check it out. Now, here's a promo video that Carti did for the brand Hardscatto.
Been drinking trash.
I see you about the good stuff today. Uh-huh.
What is this? What?
Hardscatto. Try it.
Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know how much more likely I am to pick up one of these Hardscatto drinks because of that video, but shout out to Carti for getting his bag and doing this collaboration. Nowadays, you can still pick up this actual collaboration, and I actually went to the website Thomas Ashbourne for you guys to see what it looks like. If you're here in the US, of course, you got to be over the age of 21, but I do think it's funny and interesting that they chose to again tap in with Playboi Carti out of all the artists and celebrities to promote this new white wine. Now, if you guys want to see me actually review this in the comments, let me know because I could try to pick it up. I did see that they are available here in Florida, so I think that'd be an interesting video, but only if you guys want to see that, so let me know in the comments. Now, one thing I do think is interesting or kind of cool about the branding is that it does feature this kind of black and purple color scheme, which of course reminds me of my dude Bam Margera in the Heartogram. Shout out to Bam one time. And as someone that grew up in this aesthetic and culture, I always think it's so raw that some of these hip-hop artists and rappers have decided to pick it up and make it cool again. Now, on the website, they decided to feature this little branding and message about Playboi Carti, and they mentioned that Carti is a cardelier, someone that's a connoisseur of wild fun. Now, I wanted to go ahead and zoom in so you guys can go ahead and read this yourselves. Now, the other thing I did want to point out is that this collaboration took place just last year in May of 2022. So the fact that we've gotten this white wine collaboration from Carti before we've gotten a new album, I think is pretty insane. When it comes to the reviews, I was hoping to see some funny things from the fans, but it looks like these are pretty controlled and tame, and most of them say that it's pretty good with one-star review. Now, in doing my research for this very random collaboration, I did see that the brand tends to link up with other celebrities to help push their other products. You'll see in just a little bit some of the other celebs that they've used, and it kind of makes sense. However, you'll also see just how much Carti sticks out as opposed to the other ones. Now, again, I do think that it's a great idea to collab with the hottest artists in the game. However, I don't think I've ever actually seen Carti promote this other than the once or twice that I saw that it was promoted when this actually came out a year ago. And although Carti's name itself is quite big, I think it's safe to say that for any successful collaboration, it does take both parties to be pushing the product. Now, Carti himself has always been mysterious, so I just wanted to point out some of these other promotional photos that I found for the actual product and collaboration, which I thought were kind of funny and interesting. Imagine Carti on stage sipping this Hardscatto white wine, promoting it to his fans. And when you think about it, social media and collaborations definitely go hand in hand, as most of these people will hashtag it in their posts. But given how mysterious Carti is and how infrequently he actually posts on his Instagram and Twitter, I don't know that they actually chose the greatest artist to team up with, if you get what I'm saying, and that's no shade to, of course, Carti. And if anything, I hope that him sipping on some of this sweet Hardscatto wine got the creative juices flowing and we get a new album pretty damn soon. If you made it this far in the video, as always, thank you so much for checking it out, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. I've covered Carti quite a few times, so I'll go ahead and link some of those videos in the description. And as always, guys, let me know what you'd like to see next. Please stay safe out there, and as always, it's lit, straight up, and peace. And don't forget to like and subscribe.